Do you have a patchy beard? Do you want a fuller, thicker looking beard? Well, what if I told you that you can achieve this look in just a few seconds? This is 𝗕𝗔𝗟𝗑, an easy to use beard filler pen from the Beard Struggle. It comes in 3 colours, black, dark brown and medium brown. Follow this 2-step process to eliminate patches and unwanted gaps. Step number 1. Use the pen tip to fill in the gaps, creating hair-like strokes in the same direction as your natural hair. Step number 2. Switch to the brush tip to blend in the natural colours of the Beard Struggle's beard pen to blend in, and that's it. Enjoy a water and sweat-proof looking beard with no patches or gaps that won't fade away anytime soon. Boost your beard confidence today. Order online now from thebeardstruggle.com.
𝗕𝗔𝗟𝗑 Beard Filler Pen.
The Beard Struggle.